I am for keeps. She can't compete. He ain't stupid enough to lose me to another nigga in them streets. Ooh, they salty. I know they salty. Please.
If you want to see how I got my brows like this, stay tuned. So I'm using the Salon Perfect pomade in dark brown, and this is the spoolie that comes with it. Well, a brush that comes with it. Well, brush to my brows, and then I line the bottom first. Get that all good lined in. I just follow my natural brow, and I line the top. I don't line the very front first. I like wait. And the remainder on the brow, on the brush, I just fill it in. You kind of go real light on the front. You want that to kind of fade. And if you kind of like gloss out the lines, it's okay because you go use concealer to clean it up, so don't worry about that. I'm doing the same thing on the other brow. And my brows are like really, they're sparse in the front and in certain areas. Some places I have to go darker, some places I have to go lighter. For some reason, some of the brow palettes will pick up on some else spots. So I go back sometimes and just make it darker. But if you go too dark, you just pull it out like I just did. And they help you blend the lines that you put in at first. Because you don't want no harsh lines. Going in a little bit more, making it a little bit darker. And in the front, I kind of flick the brush up. The concealer I'm using is LA Pro Girl. I use creamy beige and the yellow one. I mix them together. And that's a flat concealer brush. And I use Maybelline medium concealer. I mix that in. And I don't think I use that yellow one. Colors, but I use the NYX Got You Covered because that is like total coverage concealer, so I use that one because I need to pluck some hairs. They just help cover up them hairs, adding that in. I just start like cleaning up my brow and make it look real short. They take your brow from 5 to 100, you know. And anything I messed up, I just cover it up with concealer. So now I'm adding a darker concealer from the Crayon case. I think that's the number 2, the darker one. Concealer palette from them, so I can do the top because you want the top to match like your skin. The more it matches your skin, the better it's gonna look because you don't want the halo effect. Just add that on, and then you see I did go down a little bit too far with the concealer, but I'm gonna end up fixing it. Between my brows and kind of fade the concealer into the front of my brows. That way it makes it look even more faded. And if I went too far out, it kind of pushes it back. You don't want your brows too close to look like a unibrow. Now I'm taking that's a Wet n Wild blending brush, but I used it to blend my concealer, so I'm just blending my concealer out. And blending, you want to take your time. This is sped up, so that's why like it's going so fast. But you want to take your time. I do spend a minute on blending my concealer. I'm using a Real Techniques Beauty Blender, just further blending it out. And the brush I used with the concealer, I did go in the front of my brow to like blend that a little bit. I went in with some, I think I'm going in with some powder. Yeah, set the pomade. And fill in the places where the pomade didn't pick up its oil. Make it a little bit more sharp and stuff, you know. It's basically just like the final touches. I went in with 2 different powders, a dark brown powder and then a light brown powder. Now just mix them together. Now I'm gonna settle with some eyebrow gel. This eyebrow gel is really good. It really sets them and keep them held down. But I don't set them every day. This shit is like sometimes I set them, sometimes I don't. Depends on how I'm feeling. Let's go in and do some more quick touches, you know. That's about it. It's all done. Thanks for watching.